the last week of 2023, I traveled to Morocco and I visited 3 cities, Casablanca, Fez and Marrakesh. Of course I took so many photos and I'm gonna show them with 3 videos of each city I visited. That was my first trip to an African country, and since everything was new to me, it was not difficult to click a shutter, and I'm so excited to show them, so I hope you guys like it. My first impression of Casablanca was that people look very classy. Many people wear nice long coats with classic hats. With traditional white Islamic architecture, they are like from 60s or 70s movies. And you can find many vintage cars. I'm not a huge car fan though. They seem to like using saturated primary colors paint, which I like with photos. I find that there's a huge cafe culture in Morocco. On every street, you can find street-facing, not too fancy, nice traditional style cafes. Their buildings are basically white and they use saturated color nicely in the city. It can be a nice accent on photos. It is the largest functioning mosque in Africa, and it's the 14th largest in the world. It was completed in 1993 under the guidance of King Hassan II and built by Moroccan artisans from all over the kingdom. Even though it's so huge, you can see beautiful detailed patterns on every wall of the mosque. And I really like this combination of yellowish white and lime green. In the golden hour, many local people hang out around the mosque and enjoy a nice view with their friends, families, or loved ones. The view of the mosque with the sunset was really beautiful. I could really enjoy taking photos in Casablanca. Even though it's the center of the Moroccan economy, I could see their intention to keep their culture and tradition. That contrast creates unique scenes in the city. They created a modern developed city with their tradition, and it's beautifully done. Thank you, Casablanca. I hope I can visit again.